This one is a 1957 Remington Quiet-Riter Miracle Tab. I'm just going to show you the basic functions and make sure everything works in a type print. This is the line space, platen knobs, carriage release. That's the bell. Into the margin. Let's change that margin. Let's change that margin. Change it back. There's the key bed. Left, back, right. Backspace. Tab. Let's select the tab right there. Let's clear that tab. Get to the end of the margin. Can't type. Margin release. Get you past that margin. Let's type. Change that margin. There it is.